Hi guys, welcome to my channel African Jojo, live here in Uganda, Kampala. Yes, this is my first video in Uganda, Kampala. Yeah, I'm from the shop, small shop. I have shop this one, I bought this one. Yeah, I've decided to show you where I stay, the way to my home where I sleep. So come with me, let's enjoy this vlog. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for watching my videos. Let me know what you think about this video. Comment down below, yeah, what you think about the video. Like, share and subscribe. Yeah, I'm from there. Yeah, you can see the shops are there. Too much sunshine here and dust is too much. And you can see my hairstyle for today and my outfit. I'm going to show you. I want to first show you my outfit when I get where to place the phone. Okay, so let me show you guys the outfits. Let me see here if I can. I'm in Kampala, guys, not yet in the village, but okay. Hope you can see me, guys. What do you think about my outfits? Yo. Yeah, that is it. So let's go. We go to our the route to our house. The sunshine is so much here. The phone is full of dust, I can tell you guys. I just feel so tired because I'm not used to walking, so the legs are already paining me because I walked from here up, down. My legs are already paining, but I will feel it. I'm going to get used, you know. Yeah, but I'm already enjoying. You can see the plantations. This is Africa, yeah. This is Uganda. Come and visit. You come and visit me. It is a long way, guys. It is a long way. So we have the fruits here. The avocados. They are here. From the neighbors. See? Everywhere. Avocados. The bananas, all the way, sugar canes. The nature is here. You only find it in Uganda, okay? Nowhere else, I tell you guys. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. This is where I live. Look at the view. Look at the view there. Wow. Let me zoom it and you see. I think I have, yeah. You see that, guys? So yeah, we are still going. It is very far, guys, where I'm going to. That is my home. Where you see the tank there, the black tanker. The black tank. Tank. Can you see that? Yes, that's where I am going. Yeah, that is where I'm going. So guys, don't forget to share the video. African Jojo, yeah, all the way from Uganda, Kampala. See, beautiful houses here, guys. The neighbors, they got beautiful houses. In Uganda, we also have electricity, guys. Some people, they ask Africa, they don't have electricity. We have electricity. You see, we have electricity. You need to come and visit Uganda. Oh my God. See the beautiful garden here from our neighbor. Here. We have our neighbor planted sugarcane. Have sugarcane plantations here. People are still building this side. See, they are still building. We have sugarcane all over here. So from our neighbors. So the food is very near. We eat fresh foods and the trees. Yo. See the green grasses. The plantations and what? We have banana plantations here, sugarcane, cassava here. The gardens are too much here. Everything we eat fresh and natural. So my neighbor, we have the school nearby here. So if you're staying here, you have a kid, you have a child, the schools are very near. Yeah guys. So I've reached my home. I stay there. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I love you. I appreciate your support. Until next time. Yeah. See you. This is what I bought, guys. I bought tissue and water jacket and slippers and the sponge. I didn't have the sponge, so I had left mine there, and the vegetables here. Yeah, that is the shopping I have done today. This is the mini shopping.